Hi, I'm Marna. This is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and let's get right to it. I have a haul, not a very big one, and a happy mail. We had just finished filming the other day when, and I put everything away when this came, so I'm kind of anxious to get it open. Okay, this is my trim. It's a little wider than I thought. Doggone it. Still cute though. Okay, well, just glad it came at all, right? I say it all the time. First of all, when you buy items online, open it on camera. Oh, that's way, way wider than I thought. I thought that would be Ken or Blythe size, both of these, but that's okay. Okay, it's not all right. Anyway, open on camera so that you have proof. We are fighting with, that's for you. These are a goat thing. We are fighting with a seller on AliExpress right now over a $40 doll. And we're just going to go to our credit card agency because they're just being the biggest jerks. I mean, they might just as well say, no, 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 no.
They sent the wrong colored hair, and the response was, well, get a refund. And the refund says, get the post office to tell you it was the wrong color.
Yeah.
How the heck does the post office know what was in the box?
Uh-oh. Does this one not work? I'm going to have Deron look at it because I think it might take a tool. If you could see, yeah, the dinger is twisted. Goat bell. Okay, one more.
2 dolls, 2 goats, I think.
Yeah. Well, that's fair. Anyway, open on camera is what I started to say. And when you put your money in AliExpress, it's like a one-arm bandit. Ow. Boy, I got my finger up underneath there. One-arm bandit in Las Vegas. You may or may not get something out. Love these. These are 18-inch doll umbrellas. They're also great for Blythe dolls and 1/3 dolls. All right, here's my fancy scissors. Watch this. And then I cut like this. We were ordering something. You know, we use hard toothbrush. Always have. And you can't find them. I mean, you just, oh, thank you, Deron. Oh, thank you very much. Anyway, Deron didn't have enough for the free shipping. So look what he got me. Oh, I love her. Hello, Kiki. Oh, she's cute. Real cute. I'm not going to take her out of the box right now.
Okay, well, that's a shame because...
Oh! You are so clever. I love that. Wait, you got to see this. Knocking stuff down over here. Look what he made me for my first Shibajuku, which I absolutely love.
Well, she's not your first, but your first anime.
First anime. This was from, this doll was Happy Mail too. Came from Irene Huff's Doll Space. And then you had this made before she came. That's hilarious. Thank you. I love it. Okay, now I do want to take her out. And our toothbrushes. Are they indeed firm? Because finding firm is like finding a unicorn anymore. Yes, they are. I can switch toothbrushes. Funny thing, every year at Christmas, my mom used to put toothbrushes in our Christmas stocking. Toothbrushes and fruit. And I used to get mad every year. And my parents were, well, they were born in 1917, 1918. So they lived through a lot of, they didn't have anything. And one year I said something to her about the toothbrushes and the fruit, and they kept a big bowl of fruit on the table, so it was really stupid. Anyway, she said that they were thrilled to get this stuff in their stocking. I said, but I'm not. I have a toothbrush in the bathroom and fruit on the table. After that, they started putting more and more exciting things in my stocking. Thank you for watching the Dolls Rescue Channel. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe. No sooner was the video over and I put stuff away and somebody pulled up in our driveway, Amazon, and Deron said it's for me. It's heavy, it's metal, I can't imagine what it is. But I did want you to see, I took a minute and I got Kiki in her new stand, and I really like it. I do wish their outfits were reversed, but I guess they were staying away from any, what do you call it, license with Wednesday Addams issues. But they are very cute, both of them, each of them. Are these rods for stands?
They are.
They're very heavy.
I was looking for tubes and I can't find them, and I
We'll
ran
try
across
these.
these.
Oh, look here.
And I was
have
just.
these. Look, I have these right here. Oh, I like, no.
We have to adjust them for the metal rods, but
Oh.
the advantage of the metal
Yep.
rods is that they should be consistent,
Yep.
won't be affected by humidity.
He's saying that because we're having trouble with our wooden rods for our stands that he makes, and I love those stands, but you know, in the winter they're
Well, the problem is that Walmart,
Yeah.
the manufacturers,
Yeah,
has-
that's
they
the
have
big
changed so we have to go through a lot of wood sticks because most of them are smaller or wrong size, or it's just.
and in the same
becoming maddening.
package they're big and they're small and they're big and they're small. It's maddening for sure. And I use a lot of stands. I have a lot of Blythe dolls, and each and every time I get a new one. Darren, I got one the other day. Is this the same?
It's the one of them's stainless steel, the other's aluminum. I'm hoping aluminum will work for you because it's 50 cents a piece, whereas the stainless steel is $1 a piece. So.
I don't even mind if they work well.
Right, but we also sell them on our website,
Right.
and I don't want the cost to be the point where people say, "Oh, it's too much."
Well, shipping. Okay. These are lighter.
Those are the aluminum ones.
Yep. I need that.
I was hoping that the
Yep.
finish was going to be acceptable.
We will have to readjust.
Yeah,
For sure.
I can certainly tweak. That's not a problem.
Yeah. Well, that's cool, Darren. Thank you very much. I was hoping for a doll, but thank you.